Let's go and see the Terminal 1. Wow, I've never seen of repair shop this. Cool. Now, let's heading to Skyway Stage 3 to pass the road for a year. It's Skyway Stage 3. Here we going on up in the road. Now, let's heading to Airport 1. It's NAIA Airport. This is so amazing airport that I can feel. Going up in the road of airport now. There is Eva Air and so many planes that we will ride at home. They're inside Terminal 1 to go in before you have to find a plane ever. There should be go home to USA. There goes Peter Marcus go first home. So that's a Jollibee restaurant inside too. Then first thing happening of the flight of passenger to get that. Now I have to go back to our gray box and meet them. Now let's be off to gray box in house. Hey guys, I'm back.
Fredbear, I thought you finished of Cabanat 2 and Siri and Terminal 1 Airport for being live. Fredbear, this is my son boy, Gregory.
Hello, I'm Gregory, Fredbear. Hi, Gregory dude.
Do you like him, Fredbear?
Yes, Bob, I like him. He was handsome.